Is your Spectrum modem constantly cutting out? You're not alone. Many users experience intermittent signal and noise problems, leading to frustrating interruptions. These outages often stem from a low signal-to-noise ratio, where electromagnetic interference drowns the signal. A good SNR is between 30 to 40 dB. Start by checking all physical cable connections. Ensure they are secure, free of kinks, and use high-quality RG6 or RG11 coax cables. Replace any faulty splitters. Consider the age of your cabling. Older cables can degrade and introduce noise. Next, access your modem logs via its IP address, usually 192.168.100.1, to monitor signal levels. Downstream power should be -15 to +15 dB. Upstream power should be 35-55 dB. Also, try to isolate potential sources of interference, such as microwaves, cordless phones, or faulty electrical wiring. Grounding your modem can help reduce electrical noise. Finally, power cycle your modem. If problems persist, it might be time for a replacement, either through Spectrum or a certified third-party DOCSIS 3.1 4.0 modem. If basic steps don't resolve the issue, more advanced troubleshooting may be needed. Contact Spectrum for line tests to check for congestion or infrastructure issues in your area, especially during peak hours. Advancements in technology and infrastructure are improving modem reliability. Spectrum is actively rolling out firmware updates to address signal instability. They are also investing in upgrading network nodes in congested areas. The transition to DOCSIS 4.0 and hybrid fiber cable networks minimizes noise-prone copper lines. AI-driven diagnostics are emerging, helping predict outages and reduce response times. Spectrum hopes to have 80% of new routers using Wi-Fi 7 by 2026, which improves mesh networking and reduces signal drops from in-home interference.